Imagine never having to sweep in a vise again. With Vero-S NSL, set up once in just 10 minutes and have the flexibility of easily switching out your work holding whenever you need. You'll start by putting your Vero-S clamping station onto a cleaned and oiled machine table. To pre-align the clamping station to the machine, drop in these DIN 6323 slot tenons and slide them into the corresponding slots on the clamping station. Next, slide your BRR50 clamps into position and push the clamping station to the back of the machine to close the air gap. Then, we tighten down the BRR50 clamps. Lastly, sweep the modules for any alignment error. This clamping station is aligned and good to go, and it only took me 10 minutes. If reducing setup time or increasing the flexibility of your machine table is important to you, click the button link to learn more.